Okay, cool. Kill yourself. Try not to record anybody, okay?
Appreciate it, guys. Even though you're a Raiders fan.
Las Vegas Raiders, bro.
Hey, nothing wrong with Raiders. They're coming to Vegas, right?
Right. From the Bay, but if they gotta leave, I'd rather have them come here. Thanks, man.
Yep.
We live in Las Vegas, but I grew up in the Bay Area.
Good stuff, man. I'll see you there.
Okay, guys. Thank you, man.
Yep. Have fun, man.
Huh?
Yeah, we're gonna light them.
Right in front of my house. Every year we do.
Where do you live?
Summerlin.
Oh, yeah?
You know, the whole street just sits out in the chairs and we just go off, you know?
Yeah. We're probably gonna go more.
Yeah, they're all over Vegas. You just jump off and light them.
It's gonna be loud, extra loud.
We'll have a party at the house, the pool and everything.
Yeah, I had one of these just this week.
Let's go over here. Let's go see what they
Our
have.
one's going everywhere.
Thank you.
You'll love it, man.
I think I like pagodas better than these.
I got none plus boxes of those.
5-star rating. 24 classic return effects. Sweet, huh? Where's this go? Oh, my hands are weak.
I thought it said Trump.
You got a full shelf up there, and then you got a full shelf of pagoda shells. You see it up there?
Mm-hmm.
It's all full.
All these?
Let's go over here.
All the way down there? You pick 4 different ones for $150.
Yeah, like these, you got the Shogun Showcase number 1 and then number 7. Or number 4. Yeah, both of them for $70. It's a lot of money, but it's a good price. Double shells, brick, single shells, and then you got these triple shells. Come this way. There's a lot of stuff here. Buy the case and you save $3 at checkout. Too fishy. You got 350 cakes behind us, and then 200s, 9 shotters, $7. $7. It's a little high.
Yeah, it's a little
It's
expensive.
a little high. That's not too bad. Only want to buy stuff for like $5. Make sure I'm recording.
Yeah.
Good.
Oh, look! By the what?
You got these magic carpets. They're very popular. Some people out there. I've seen them. Very popular.
How many shots?
I think that was 25.
Not
They're
bad.
sweet. There's some other ones on the other side that I really want to like pick up. We have total of 10 assortments. And what was it? I think it was 6 of these, and then it was some other ones. I can't remember. Sorry, go ahead.
$300, is that a good price or is that expensive?
It's an okay price. The Phoenix box and then Lotus boxes together. Total of 10 assortments. It says right here, must buy one of each. No other sales apply. It's not bad. Are you getting it? In there? Cool. So I'm worried about the camera. I'm not getting what I need to get in here. Check this out. The new label for Tiger Box. It's all pretty cool. It's all about the same thing. Some new stuff in there. New different pictures. Look at that. It's funny, huh?
Yeah.
Cloud Dragon. It's pretty cool. And then this is large size assortment. 45 minutes of duration. 50 plus things to light in there. Aerial and ground effects. And Pyro points. What else can we look at, guys? Let's go through here. Let's check this out. Black labels, 25 shots. Is it $10? It's not bad. $10 for a big, nice little heavy cake of powder.
25 shots?
25 shots. Good for you. Hey, look, this is people we're talking about.
Blood bath?
Make sure you get a good recording of my face too. This is a 25 shot bloodbath, and I'm not sure if these are being discontinued or something, but are you getting my face too? Okay. I'm not sure if these are being discontinued or something, but I've heard a lot of people out there have been calling this place specifically for this cake. I don't know what reason for, but this is being picked out from a state or something like that. They're being pulled out. I don't know what's going on, but they are for sale here, guys. Look at the price tag. It is 12 little 200-gram cakes of these for $200.
How many shots?
25.
Not bad.
I don't know, but they're here, guys. So. $10. You got parachutes behind you? Nothing I want to pick up. Little fish. I love these fishies. They're $3 each. Let's do wasp. You got alter ego down there. You got big kraken. You got funky monkeys. Let's go this way. Oh shoot, we have Saturn Muffins. This is $4. Yeah. Yeah, $55. Super size. They're $50, averaging $50
Each?
each. Yeah. $12, ain't too bad. For 300 missiles, Saturn missiles.
Yeah. Or unless it, no. Yeah. Never mind, just kidding.
Come this way.
Okay, look at these.
What?
Saturn Miss is $4. Didn't we get them for $2?
We picked these up for $1.25, dude.
$1.25.
Yeah. So what I do want to pick up is one of these, get the party started. These are super nice, super loud effects, and they have multiple colors coming out all at once at night. I put 4. You can put 4 at one demo. They look bad as hell, non-stopping, and they last like about, I'd say 15-20 seconds, but they're badass.
How much are those?
These are a total of $14. That's not a bad deal.
Not a bad
They
deal.
usually range for $15, but I save $1. Check this out. Get 12 of these for $60. These are the ones I was talking about that I had to pick up. These are huge, large comets that fly up in the air, and they just blow up. Create the assortments. So great badass. Buy these guys. These are super cool. Let's go through here. Roman candles. Oh man, I'm a huge Roman candle guy. You like Roman candles, Will?
Yeah, look at these.
What are they?
The 5-ball Roman candles, $2.50.
$2.50. That's not bad.
That's not bad. Pretty good price.
Yeah, that's a good price. That's great for the kids, huh?
Yeah, for
they can have
kids.
fun, kills. Like these are back at. These are $5. These are $5.
Yeah, $5.
For today, they were $5. I think. They're in my email for $5.
Well, yeah, because it's $10 and then they take out $5.
You say 5 at checkout. Yeah, you're right.
So it's $5.
Take 3. $7 for these.
7.
That's what I paid
Oh,
for.
you should get me one of these, Jay.
I already had one of these.
You already lost mine. Remember my zombie one?
Yeah.
That one could be mine.
You want it?
Yeah.
Alright, let's pick it up. Hey, look. New one's Thunder Bomb, Flash Cracker 4000, and the biggest one. It was like I don't know how much we rolls, but like shitload of rolls. Where's the new UV ones? There's some badass new ones. There's a lot of people tonight, huh?
Yeah.
We gotta hurry up. Because then we still gotta go to the Alien Fiber demo. Which should start in a minute.
But the sun's still out, so.
Now these are badass.
Those are
These
badass.
are badass. These are ones to buy. They're $10. They buy $10 for one. They don't even have this by the case anymore, fool.
But they're worth it because they're badass.
I remember last year I bought a case of these. They were badass. Yeah, they don't have them for the case anymore. That sucks. Come on this way. Oh, here you go. Okay, so we're taking this, right?
What happened to your froze?
It's like that. So it's brand new. Alright, so these are the new G-forces here, man. There's only 2 of them. What's going on here? But anyways, there's 2 G-forces. I don't know what the price is, but probably check out, you know. And there's some more right here, doubles. 8 shots. Now these are the new ones here. These are badass. Look at it. 8 shots each total. Neon effects, extra large effects, super loud, up to 100 feet. These are pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, those are pretty cool. How much?
These are... These are
105?
No. That's the case. Instead of 8
Oh,
of these.
yeah.
2,
30
4,
bucks each
6,
one.
8. There's 8 of these for $105. But you save 10, so like $95 almost.
Yeah.
So these are 30 bucks. So minus 6 is 34. No, 24. 24 bucks for one of these. What do you think? That's a lot of money.
Yeah, that's a lot of money.
UVs. 24. Let's buy one for the viewers. Why not? For the viewers. Alright, let's go.
But look, forget about these. These are a better deal. Look, these are 35 bucks. Yeah. That's how they look.
Those are ball shells.
Yeah, they're balls. Yeah, those are balls.
These are the 1-inch canister shells.
Yeah. Which ones? These ones are way better, huh? These nose?
Yeah, those that have a silver comet going up, so they're badass going up.
Yeah. See, those are the balls. Those are the balls. I had those. I bought those one year.
Hey, don't open that.
Amazing ball shells.
Yeah.
But as far as resell
Wait,
goes,
Yeah.
resell goes, oh, people are
Let's go this way.
because the effect is the same thing. I get
Try to open a box. Come on this way. You got $7 for these rockets. So here, check that smiley. You like smiley faces?
Yeah, they're pretty cool.
Maximum triple bang rocket. Cool. They have more rockets today than usual.
Yeah.
Come on this way.
What's up, Jay? I watch your YouTube videos, man.
Oh, do you?
Just want to say what's up.
What's your screen name?
John Mugen. Oh, sorry, you guys are recording now?
Yeah.
Hey, say hi, man.
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
recording
Oh,
this for today.
cool. Thanks,
My name
man.
is Jay Mendez. What's
Yeah.
your screen name?
John Mugen.
John Nugan?
Yeah.
It's good to see you, man. Appreciate it. I'll
thanks,
see you
man.
around already?
Yeah,
care.
take it easy.
Are you going to the demo tonight?
It's raining. I don't know if it's still going on, is it?
I'm trying to hurry up to go.
Yeah, I'm leaving right now, so I'll be over there soon.
Have you been to the Alien store yet? How is it?
It's pretty good.
Busy?
I mean, it was pretty busy. Yeah.
Hopefully it's not tonight, right now.
Yeah. I just left there like
Alright, I'll see you around.
Alright, take it easy.
Hey, how's it going?
Busy.
Yeah, good.
Making a YouTube video today, so.
Oh, hello.
I texted Doug, but I don't think he's gonna make it. I don't think he wants to come.
Today?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's not even in town.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he should be here next week though. Obviously, for the demo he should be. Unless, I don't know, unless you know something I don't, but I don't think he's in town.
That's right. I just want to say hi.
Oh,
And then we wanted to talk.
okay.
So, yeah.
I'm trying to call him if you need something.
That's okay. So, any new stuff going on besides the stuff, like, besides movies or that?
Yeah, let's see. Those are the two latest.
Yes.
The,
You know the price
Build
tag
your own
on
case.
These viewers want to know the price tag on these badass G-forces.
that is these here. So they're running $5 a pack today.
$5 for these badass ones?
And there's two different kind actually. So if you want them, make sure you get one of each.
Oh, sweet.
Yep. Yep.
All
And
right.
then the cases are like 82.
$82.
And there's two 22s. Funny packing.
Yeah,
So
it's weird.
I think they were supposed to come 4s.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'll have to check the packing on that.
And
But yeah,
these,
they're available.
these are, am I seeing this right? These are these big boys
Yes.
for, how much, like $95?
Yes.
That's all. $94, $95. It's pretty
Yep,
badass.
8 8s in that one.
And this is
Or
only
$6
sell for this.
a piece. Or $6 off the 30, so
Yes.
20. Yeah.
That's why I was confused.
I'm
I was
tired.
like,
I've been
alright.
here since 9.
That's okay. I'm sorry.
Not with you.
It's a long day. What else? What else?
What else? Did you see the build your own case of shells?
Yes. I had a quick question on assortments. On the $300 ones?
Yeah.
Those.
So,
Just a loaded box?
case of the Phoenix. So you get 4 in that. And then
Phoenix box.
this is this right here. And then 6 of the Lotus, which is down at the end.
6 of the Lotus, and then 4 of these or 3 of these?
4.
4.
So 4 of the bigger ones, 6 of the little ones.
Okay, sweet.
For a total of 300.
Just because I was going to pick up a few boxes either today or tomorrow or some other week,
Okay.
so I can get off for free. It's a really good donation for like veterans.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so.
Very cool. And then these are the new ones coming in now this way.
Which one, Panda Box?
Tiger, but there's a mixed case. 2 tigers, 2 panda, 1 case.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. Yeah, do you have any more cameras?
Oh, this one. I'll check.
Do you have anything like in the...
Probably not, since it's showing there's no case tag, but I'll double check.
That's fine.
I can double check. You never know. Someone could have missed it and forgot to put the tag.
That's fine. I just wanted to find maybe see if or not.
Okay.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you.
Yeah. Alrighty.
Well, holler if you have any more questions. You want a cart?
No, this is fine.
Okay.
I like to carry
Cool.
stuff.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
You're
I appreciate
welcome.
your help.
No problem. You doing okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Check out this sweet Phoenix box.
Yes,
I kind of
the
want
combo,
this.
yes.
I want it
As
just
far
for
as
fun.
combos. And then the other,
How much is each one? $88?
like for instance, if you wanted like this one here, the Tiger Panda.
Phoenix box. They are $88 each. That's not a bad deal. That's not a bad deal, right?
No.
Yeah. Brothers Finale. The little motor racks. Your price $30.
Can't you make it your own? By yourself? You just need to go to Lowe's and cut it up. Have them cut it.
It's a little
And then they...
more trouble because if they get these, that's the problem. You gotta open the boxes and boom, boom, you get them. But you can, but it just takes a little longer, you know? Come on over here. Let's go put some more stuff.
Sorry, man.
Dude, you didn't even show up type shit, man.
My arm is getting tired. I worked out today. Tired. These missiles look badass. $15. Are they $15? $7.
7, yeah.
That's
This,
something I should pick up in the future.
these little mini
Which ones?
artillery shells are $5.
Are they?
Your price $5.
Says right here, retail 00. That's $0. I'm just kidding. How much is this one?
80.
Oh, a case of 48 or $80. Midget bombs. These are pretty cool. They're super loud. They're super, super loud. They're just like bombs. Seriously, they're bombs. $80 for the whole case. 48 of those. They're super dope. Oh man, I'm going crazy. Come on this way. Oh, these are my favorite. Nightmare. $4, dude. Let's get a couple of these. Yeah? Okay. Let me go get your cart. I'll be right back. Stay right here. Start recording shit, okay? Oh, hey look, check this out. I kind of ripped it, putting it down. It was a little wet, that's what.
You're not gonna do the case price on that?
Not right now. Right now. I'll come back later.
You'll be sorry. Those are one of our best sellers, the barrages. So.
Oh, I know. So we're gonna get like at least 3, 4?
Of the which one, Nightmare?
We're gonna do Nightmare. They're badass. Very cheap, $4.
Have you ever tried the Evil?
Yeah, I put them all together. They were super dope together. That lady right there, she was a reseller.
What does that mean?
She sells fireworks. Alright, so I think they're sold out at the Nightmare. That's okay.
Well, yeah, $4.
And then we're doing a shitload of Evils. Super dope. These are bang for the buck. So I got with one of the ladies working, and she said that Doug was I think it was out of state. Something like that. Now I had to buy these now because later, for the 4th of July, there's going to be none left, so might as well stock up now before there's none later, right? Alright, so we got plenty of Nightmares, plenty of the Evils, Gruesome, Virtue. $4 is a good deal. Alright, so what do you think? Is it good?
Yeah, it's good.
evil. I think I need 2 more evils, or I have enough. 3 of the Crucium, 3 of the Bridgestones. I got 4 of those. That's fine. What do you think?
Good.
It's good. Should I buy a little more or what? Because they're really good cakes, honestly. Some people don't know.
I think that's okay for right now.
That's good. Let's
That's
go
good.
shop around a little more. What minute are we on?
We're 25 minutes in it.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. We want to come over here.
Still record or end it?
Still recording. These are $10.
So you're just gonna buy one?
Just buy one, just for the people. I want to see that these demos are badass. These are shoot comets when they go up in the sky. They're super, super badass. These are the ones I recommend. Now, this is something new. Check this out. Pro Man. I don't have this one. This is badass. Come on this way.
UV shells are one of my favorite shells because they are 60-gram canister shell. They're going to be the loudest. They have the most vibrant color, and I love the new strobing effect that comes in these. These red apple fireworks shells are another red apple fireworks exclusive.
I'm going to show you the rack that I want to buy.
Okay.
Why are these working? The donut shells are my favorite because it's super complex set that they sell for whole stack. Plus they have super long reports and they come in an 8-box 24 cents.
I'm going to put it on top of your purse. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Let's roll. Alright, so this is the rack that I want to buy. $150.
Is it worth it?
It's worth it because it has 50 shots. I made some myself actually, but I just don't feel safe with the ones I have. But these are badass, so these are safe, you know? These are strong tubes. And they're 50, so imagine that. This is double of what we had last year.
Dang.
Because you know how we're split? 50. Imagine the stuff we have now plus this. That's insane. $150 for this rack.
That's not bad.
I'm gonna try to cop off some cash for this. I'm gonna try. What do you think? That's what it's like. These guys are messing around back there. I don't know what they're doing. UVs. I love UVs. They're super loud. It's super high, and they're super neon colors. Badass. For $150, I think I'll wait right now. Let's go pay. I'm ready to go.
This is so good. It's so addictive.
Try to record what's in the front and the right.
Okay.
Save $10 is 30. Yeah, $30. 35. Yeah, $35 for a mashup for 24 shots. Open Fire, it's a classic. I love this one. And then you have Tramps. You got some G-Shocks and you got some G-Force and then you have Pagoda. Yeah, rubies.
So rubies.
It's all Pyro, sorry. I remember they contacted me. And they said thank you for buying their products. It's pretty cool, huh? Pyro Star officially called me. I mean, messaged me through YouTube saying thank you for purchasing their stuff. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. So these rubies are 60. I mean, for
4 of those.
60
There are
bucks.
4 different kinds, and for 24 shots is each one. 4 different kinds, for a total of $60.
That's actually not bad.
Like about $15 each for one of those. That's not bad.
No, that's not bad. And they're huge.
See you. Same thing.
Hey, you already did a demo on this one, didn't you?
Yeah.
$80.
That's not bad. That's 24. Those are very nice. For $80.
For 24 of them, that's not bad.
I picked these up for like about $35 when there was a huge sale. What do you want on our show?
I don't know.
Just make it big again?
Just make it big.
Are you down to put the money up?
Like how?
Put down?
Like, what do you mean put down?
Put down so I can put all wire everything down.
Go ahead. End it.
And then just say, where are we at? 30 minutes?
Yeah.
Recording.
Recording?
Yeah. Hold on a second. Record me. Alright guys, this is Jay. I am out and we are going to Alien Fireworks next, guys. Thank you so much. This is Jay Mendez. I'm out. Peace.